meghalayapost.news.
Umden Mentri Sorkar Jela Berbenpej Jagatnat Community and Rural Development CNRD mentakasngi ular-ular ban simkia ban yakren bad Mentri Rambak Kajela ukurat kesangma na mentak Jingdawa ban penkha sakawipat ka office CNRD block hapo Umden Nongtluh Hariboy district kata kadai hadin ba mentakasngi lawan ban Kynduh IU dakino yalam jonga Nongtluh mathan Marmain Development Forum balalam khmat dauba MeghalayaPostNEWS kumu nong ikmat kanongpo konstituensi habakren cekinong tok kubor Umden Urlong baka Sorkar kan sampai nya ya kan kam pan penkai ki blog namar nakaliang jong ula de banikren baru Menteri Rambak Kajela syakatnat planning baru syakatnat bapai ya ka platingka ka Sorkar Jela badai hangta kan sapoi syaka jingsim ya karai ulai turu bai kan kamat pan penkai ya ka CNRD blog ha Umden Nongtluh baju ya kren nakapor syakapor hing dorbar tawan ke Jela dau MLA kan nongpo konstituensi uba MeghalayaPostNEWS
di kampung kebangiwan madrasi lomba jokodik si golong nakaliang jongka forum jengdente kadai halor konorium ba ngikwa ban krit lande ban tauno ya ka blok hari Umden ban kumbangi tip ba ka Umden di kathan pelabun bagi Shillong kaba ketop kabangat ya mata kadang don hapo joka uling sialar di blok di kumbangi tip ka uling sialar di blok hapo ribo district kadai kawi blok ka ahe tap hapo ribo district ki babu ni ki pot ki pai ba ju ina thai dan ki mat chiun ki jing ka jingai na ka jaka na ka Shillong ka bagi don hadu headquarters joka blok ki na ka lang jokir ba Shillong di babu ni ki sem jingai ki mat jingai na bata ban poi ta blok di na ta ka ta na ka lang jing bahalang kasuk kasai nadu ki ba Shillong ki NGOs ki senglong ki grup baper hisem jinge mat poy hote de nang ta kadau ba ngikwa bandon no ngi ketu yo Sorkar latan long kabala ban bu no lane ban ai no ya ka Umden blok hangte po Umden ti ka kane kamde isu ka kebetulan ha ka banangaliang UMA jungi ba MeghalayaPostNEWS ha ki arsnam mensua ila ya syakmat syaprang ila ya syakmat ban budin ban keren ro syaka government ya kane kapam tena galang jungi ki babon ki ba ang tai ngis geu ngimla klem da ai ka buro ban ngiyaro ya ka ba ila yalam nagalang jungi ngi yai support di ngi ai bo di na banta ka pa kamya joko tong ka thai ki jungi tenang ne syakamat ka ba ngi kwa ka long ba kumba ila de budin ya kane bat kana do kopor kawan nakaliang ka di nakaliang ka office jo ka si energi blok uling ladon ka jingle inspection yang di Jakarta jingle iwan di Jakarta tai hagis na parajaan aku ladon ka jingle iwan di Jakarta itu kala susah kun tu di hadir kata hadir bangila show meeting biang ada di jingle Kynduh bat ki nasional jong kita han barokon bat ki sim ki losan ki diloy jong kita lai tilikirai kamu mut kanong dulu kamatan bakal mati dikirai tinggi lah esong nila ya raiput bagi nangi budin ya kan ik by MLA lah elam kemat iswa ngini ai budin ya kan ngini ai don tongkat badi ngini kersan ya ika by ko anak taka jumpa jumpa dah te nakaliak jong forum gila yo ro banyak Kynduh yo minister in charge siara di blok i etimanda nakaliak jong di ila keren syai bat ila kolar ba insa nangai budin kat bala ya kan dia bat insa nangai keren ro bat ka government halor jong ka kapang nagalang jong i kolar bat syukia na bata ban yo no ila ka jong ka blok ka dan te ka ba ngimot halong ba nagalang jong ngim put takannya rangkat bat MLA joni kat bilong mat joni bilong ujutu bangin sanang pansgay susu ya kane khobor su ya kane khobor shau chibesta bodon borong joni kumbagala de ong mane ka uling se ri blok ka de ka we ka blok ka bahe ba ko boy ka blok tutup aki ars ba laipo sat bo ta teli Shillong telada pia ya ka uling se ri blok sha ka Umden ru ka Umden ka automatically kan wan hati sis pa nyu ko ta ich Kynduh bat kita isu gidi kam jira isu bat gidi kita kam kendong isu naka headquarter juga belum. Jadi nak kata bangi kwa Jingdawa ngi kwa bandon no ka joka blok namar ba ki babuni ki area ba ladangin pihak ya ka umling CR di blok syaka Umden ki babuni ki bangat laki ki border side ki Asam border Asam nakta ki babuni ki inyo 70% ki na border Asam ki siam jing bagaimana sebelum ni sabar tat ki babuni ki bendong ta ka daw bagi kwa kan dang ka bala yo joka.
Today we had the privilege to meet the Honorable Minister in charge CNRD block, Shri A.T. Mondal, together with one of the prominent forum of our constituency, which is known by the name Nongtluh Mathan Marmain Development Forum, under the leadership of Ba Arnold Sinkli as the chairman, Ba Diren Kling as secretary, Pak Matthias Leusim as an advisor, and other representative traditional headman of Umden area, to press upon for the creation of new block at Umden. As we have known, this is a new into the developmental push within the constituency. We have been pressing this issue in the past also, and I'm thankful as a local legislator that this forum has taken initiative. It has shows its utmost interest and sincerity in supporting for this issue, so that the government will take into consideration for the creation of Umden Community and Rural Development Block to be carved out of the existing Umling CNRD block. As the chairman of the forum has stated that the Honorable Minister have take a keen interest, and as a legislator also will try to push this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, in which in few days we are going to meet with him also to press upon, and we hope that the government in due course of time, at the time of taking a decision for the creation of new CNRD block, Umden CNRD block will be one of them. And I hope that the positivity approach of the government, as well as the initiative taken and the aspiration of the people at large, which include in more than 120, 130 up to 150 villages which fall under Umden block, proposed Umden CNRD block. And I hope they will see the light of the day. And we are happy today, the positive response of the Honorable Minister, and we look forward that it will happen in days to come. Yeah, with regard to the present construction of Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road, the length is 58.600 kilometer, in which state 20 kilometer it's under state scheme, and 38.600 kilometer is under PMGSY. The first phase, which is under the state scheme, the work is in full progress. As a legislator, I have conducted spot inspection with the headman, with the official of the PLUD, where the work is quite satisfactory, and the progress of the work is not only at par, but it is beyond expectation, where we are very much happy about the progress of the work. We would like to thank the PLUD department for implementing the work, as well as the firm who has been awarded this work. As well as I want to update the people of our area that the second phase for the 38.600 kilometer from Umden towards Marmain towards Sonapur, the work order has been issued. The contractor have already visited the site, identify the critical area, and the work for the second phase also is already started, and I hope they will be able to complete in the stipulated time that has been awarded to them.
Umden area, accompanied by our honorable member from Nongtluh, Meghalaya Post, they came and met me today. Of course, Meghalaya has raised this issue in the floor of the house, and also he raised this issue with me also, and we feel also that people's demands needed to be examined properly. The thing is that the creation of block is a continuous process, and as and when government finds it fit, government has created. We have seen in the past also. This year also we have already inaugurated one block at Ripoi district. So let us see how things go, because we will have to take this matter with the Honorable Chief Minister and also Planning and Finance Department, and then only we will come into a conclusion. This is
Umden block.
Umden. Yeah. Umden. They want that this name, this block, should be named as Umden CNRD block. Their version that it will cater around 70 plus villages.
MeghalayaPost.news.